Hey, this is the one and only storyteller. Back out here at the tent today, at the truck. Just getting a few things ready to get ready to spray Tuesday. I would say Monday, but I got other things going on, so it will definitely be Tuesday. So, just to give you a little rundown, we did get it taped up, as you can tell. Everything looks good. Everything is taped up, cleaned up, all sanded. As you can tell the shine right there. You can tell how much it shines. You know, it's slick as glass. And we're just taking a little short video today, just kind of showing you what's going on. That's about it, really. Just a little quick short video. I did when I got through sanding, we used some Dawn dishwashing detergent and a rag, and I washed down everything on the hood 3 times, changing the water each time, trying to make sure I get everything off of it. Then I went back and I sprayed this window cleaner. That's what I always use. It's a vinegar formula. I've used it as long as it's been out. It does wonderful. It's a good prep wipe. So yeah, it works really good. So what we do also is I usually use these gentlemen as far as my tack cloths. That's what I'll be using there. Does a really good job. None of the tack sticks to the vehicle or to the paint. So it's really good. Don't really have a problem with that. And then we have this right here. I always try and find these. Are really hard to find. When I find them, I usually just buy the whole box. But Rust-Oleum paint prep wipe, that again works really good. I will wipe the truck down one more time before I use this here, and that will give me hopefully the cleaning that is needed to have a flat and good finish. So yeah, we're moving right along. We're fixing to go work on the Mustang here in just a minute. Since we've got this done, I'm going to close all the sides down, tie them up. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so which is good. It'll wind up wetting all the dirt down around it. So keeps the dust down, helps me out. So I'm going to head over to the Mustang in a bit. And I'm going to, I decided that it's been about 10 or 12 years since I've buffed anything, so I'm gonna use the Mustang as a practice unit. So I'm gonna take some 1500, probably some 400 first, 1500, and I'm just gonna practice buffing on it. You know, the paint has to come off of it anyway. That way, when I get ready to buff this out, then I'm not gonna be as squeamish or skittish, either one, about doing it. So bad thing is, well, good and bad. Good and bad. This paint here is 3 weeks old, which is good. By the time I get this all cut and buffed, this paint will be about 2.5 weeks old. So I can cut and buff it and cut and buff that. By the time I get through with these two, this paint should be almost 2 weeks old or 2 weeks old. So yeah, we can we'll do it in sections. We paint it in sections, we'll buff it in sections. And I talked with a gentleman yesterday about a bed. He said he did have a bed. He had a bed with no rust for $1,800. He said he had a bed that needed side panels or wheel arch panels, just the outer panels, for $1,500, and he said that's about it. He said everything he had, or everything that he kept, is of good quality. So, well, I'm not giving 15, and I'm not giving 18, and so I showed him the bed, kind of told him what I was going to do with it. He rebuilds 73 through 79 four-wheel drives, mainly short wheelbase, mainly, honestly, standard shifts, and most of them are high boys. But he said that the way I was going to proceed with it and the way that I was going to do it would work fine. I'm not going to be driving it in the rain, won't be in the salt. You know, the only water will get on it will be when it's washed, so it should be fine. So that's the way I'm going to proceed. He said if he finds a better bed between now and the time that I get this one painted or fixed, he would let me know. Well, if I found one afterwards, he said you can always just fix it, paint it, take one off, put the other one on if you find a better bed later on, which is true. So we're going to move on with this project. We're not going to sit around and wait and try and find a bed, because I've tried to find a bed in the last 2 years. So here's my best shot at finding one. He does have one. I guess if I hit the lottery or somebody leaves me some money, we might take that opportunity and buy a good bed. But other than that, we're going to move on. He did suggest using a 85, 86 short wheelbase step side fiberglass bed. He said it will fit on the 79. It will bolt up. Bolt holes do match. He said it'll sit right down on top of it. I said everybody will know that it's not the right bed, but at least, you know, you'll have a solid bed. So we're not going to go that route. So we're going to go 79, 73, 79. And we're going to move on. He did have, though, which he is going to dig out, and I should be able to pick it up Wednesday, if not Thursday morning. He had a 1970 Galaxy, Ford Galaxy 302 4-barrel, breather down, all the pulleys, alternator, power steering still hooked to it, AC is still hooked to it, all the pieces are there. Has a C4 plywood on it, he said. So he said it does turn over. He said he remembered it, or believed he remembered it running. He bought it for a truck and just didn't wind up putting it in a truck, so he just set it to the side. So so yeah, I'm gonna trade him one brand new door, one brand new fender, 2 used fenders that don't have any rust in them, and 2 doors that just need the outside lower panel, and a front chrome bumper that's in good shape with a little pitting, and $100. So if you think that ain't a deal, that is 100% fantastic deal. So all I have to do is just blow the dust off of it, pressure wash the dirt off, take the pulleys off, put a new water pump on it. He said distributor and all was still in it, so it is exactly what the exact gear model that came out of the Mustang. So rebuild the carburetor. I probably put the Lanati cam in it. I'll break it down that far to put the Lanati cam back in it, give it a little thump, a little rump. But I'm sure the Galaxy didn't have no hypo engine in it, so and I may go ahead and pull the heads off and put 4 T3s on it, closed chambered. So, and that will give her a little more rump. So, but I may just stick it in there too. Rebuild the carburetor, do a compression check on the ground, rebuild the carburetor. Compression's good. I might just stick it in there and let's go. But having everything on it puts me so far ahead. That puts me to driving the car by the end of September, up and down the road, driving the car. So yeah, we're looking good. We're getting things put together. So it's supposed to rain early or late tonight. first thing in the morning, so I gotta get busy. Just want to do a little short video. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Appreciate you staying long enough to hear me ramble, and kind of gives you an idea what's going on. And look for the Mustang video. I'm not gonna do a video with working on it on the truck, so it'll be a video of what I do for the rest of the day. So it'll be on that particular build, not this build. So appreciate everything. Thanks for staying. Ring the bell, leave a comment, subscribe. If you leave a negative comment, all I ask you is you leave a positive comment last, like have a nice day. Don't leave anyone in a negative position, and we'll be seeing you.